Hello, 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 and welcome back to Shake Not Slur, where we make cocktails of all different flavors. So today, as you can see, we have our 4 bottles of Haus Apéritif Wine. We just recently did a review, so make sure you go check that video out. So today, we are going to be making 4 drinks using all of these. We're going to try to make them simple, quick, and tasty. So stay tuned. Before we even get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all the people you know. And let's get right into it. Okay, so the first one that we will be using is the lemon lavender. So we just want to come, this one is also pretty simple. We're just going to mix that up directly into the glass. So we are going to just add our ice, large ice block. That is a sphere cube. We're going to do 2 ounces of our lemon lavender directly in. Two ounces. We are going to do 1 ounce of gin directly in there. Let's put that to the side. We're going to come behind that with just a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Kind of give that a little stir. And then we are going to top that with some club soda. And then for the garnish, a lemon heart directly over the top. And there you guys have it. That is the lemon lavender drink. On to the next. Okay, the next one we will be making, we'll be using the citrus flower. So we want to start out with some ice. Put those cubes in there. Start out with some ice. We are going to do 2 ounces of this citrus flower. 2 ounces. We are going to set that to the side. Then we are going to do, there we go, 1 ounce of vodka. Set that to the side. We have our 1 ounce of lemon juice. And then we are going to do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Just like that. Then we're going to give that a shake. Quick shake. Here we are. Then we are going to strain that back into our glass. Just like so. Double strain, get rid of those ice shards. Discard the ice. And then we are going to, if I can find my mixing spoon, I'm all over the place. We are going to do an egg white. messy. Let's wipe this off. Great. So then we're going to come give that a dry shake. Ooh, my arms are getting tired. Extra foamy. We are going to pour that directly in our glass. And then we are going to do a couple dashes of Angostura Bitters. 2 dashes. And then if I can find them, here we are, a toothpick. Just to kind of give it, and there you have it. The citrus flower drink. Our next drink is going to be the Rosé. This is going to be super quick. We just want to drop some of our clear ice cube in there. We are going to do 2 ounces of the Rosé directly in. And we're just going to top that with some club soda. Reason being is because the flavors on the Rosé, I feel, are very, very strong. And I feel like you want to taste all of those. We don't want to kind of mess with that. There you have it, the Rosé. Okay, and finally, oh, wrong one. Okay, and finally, the spiced cherry, my personal favorite. This is another simple one as well. We are going to add a clear ice cube to our glass. We are going to do 2 ounces of the spiced cherry. And if you notice, all the proportions I'm using are 2 ounces. I think that is enough. We're going to do 2 ounces of the spiced cherry. And we are also going to do just an ounce of our Jameson whiskey to that. And then we're going to give that a little stir. As best we can. And then we're going to top that off with some soda water as well. The spiced cherry is very fruity. I really like this one. This is one of my personal favorites. And then, because what is a spiced cherry drink without an actual cherry, we are going to do 2 cocktail cherries, sit those directly in, and there you have it, the spiced cherry cocktail. And there you have it, folks, all 4 drinks made using, we have citrus flower, lemon lavender, rosé, and the spiced cherry. Some great cocktails to use, especially with the upcoming summer. Well, we're technically already getting to be in the summer, so perfect summer drinks. Great tasting aperitif wines, not too strong, but not too, light, a little bit stronger than wine. Excellent company. I encourage you guys to check them out. They sent the recipe book as well with some awesome recipes and liquors to kind of pair each one with. So I would highly recommend. And we are signing out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Shaken Not Slurred, and I will catch you guys in the next video.